Italianis is back for all yours all-day offer. And for as low as 385, matatry na nga natin kumain dito sa Italianis. Pero ano nga ba yung mga kasama? Kasama rito yung freshly baked Tuscan and focaccia bread on the house. And for the appetizers, pwede kayo mamili sa pepperoni pizzetta, chicken fingers and chips with honey mustard. And for gulay lovers over there, side Caesar salad. At kung gusto nyo naman ng soup as your appetizers, they also have this carrot soup. And next up is for our entree. For your main course, meron nga rin pwedeng apat na pagpilian. And that is seafood, vegetables, and rice. And nandyan nga rin yung pork adobo rice. Ito favorite ko to. Ang sarap-sarap. Grabe ang lasa-lasa ng pork adobo nila. At kung gusto nyo naman magpasta, they also have chicken parmigiana. And lastly, for the entree na pwede pagpilian dito sa Italianis, there's also grilled pork loin. And for the drinks, you can also choose between house blend iced tea or blushing fizzy tea. And for dessert, you can also do an add-on and meron nga rin silang affogato. Premium quality is now yours served all day. Pero remember, yung All Yours All Day Season 4 is only offered sa mga Italianis locations for dine-in only. Pero grabe nga yun, 385 lang nakapag-Italianis ka na. So ano, tara, Italianis tayo.